Welcome back MH Car Review, and today is something absolutely special. What you are looking at right now is not a building. It is not a yacht. It is not some wild CGI concept from a science fiction movie. What you are looking at is the 2026 Kenworth luxury motorhome, and I am going to tell you right now, this machine will absolutely blow your mind from the very first second you lay eyes on it. Let's start with the exterior because honestly, nothing prepares you for this thing in person. The 2026 Kenworth luxury motorhome is built on a custom heavy-duty Kenworth T680 platform, and from the front, you immediately see that iconic Kenworth chrome grille, completely reimagined with a flush aerodynamic finish and integrated LED daytime running lights that wrap around the entire front fascia. The hood flows seamlessly up into the body of the motorhome, and that transition, it's so smooth, it almost looks like one single sculpted piece of artwork. The paint is a flawless pearl white with champagne gold accents, and depending on the light, it shifts color like the surface of a diamond. Now moving along the side, and this is where it gets absolutely insane. The body of this motorhome is 3 full stories tall. 3 levels. You've got sweeping horizontal curves inspired by luxury superyacht design, and every single floor has floor-to-ceiling panoramic glass windows that run almost the full length of the vehicle. LED lighting strips follow every curve of the body, and at night, this thing glows from the inside out like a floating palace. The overall length sits at approximately 75 feet from front to rear, and the width is nearly 13 feet, so yes, this is a wide-load vehicle requiring escort vehicles on public highways, but honestly, when you see it moving, you just stop and stare. The rear of the motorhome continues that same yacht-inspired design with a full-width observation window and a curved upper deck that features a glass railing system and built-in LED perimeter lighting. The multi-axle rear configuration, we're talking 6 rear axles in total, rides on a custom air suspension setup that keeps this entire 85,000-pound machine riding smooth no matter the road surface. The custom polished billet aluminum wheels are 22.5 inches and have a multi-spoke design that perfectly complements the overall aesthetic. Every single detail on the outside of this motorhome has been considered, refined, and executed at the highest possible level. Step inside, and you enter a completely different world. The main living level greets you with a full open-plan lounge featuring a curved cream sectional sofa, a live-edge marble coffee table, and a full home theater system built into a custom entertainment wall. The flooring is genuine wide plank European oak hardwood, and the ceiling features sculpted cove lighting that runs the entire length of the room, giving you that soft warm glow that makes the space feel like a 5-star hotel suite rather than anything on wheels. The panoramic windows on both sides of the lounge bring in natural light from every direction, and the views while traveling are absolutely unbeatable. The kitchen is a fully professional-grade setup with white lacquer cabinetry, waterfall quartz countertops, a 6-burner gas range, a built-in espresso machine, a full-size refrigerator and freezer, and a wine cooler integrated into the island. There is nothing missing here. This kitchen rivals anything you would find in a luxury penthouse apartment. Moving up to the second level, you find the master bedroom suite with a king-size platform bed, silk bedding, custom upholstered headboard, twin walk-in wardrobes on either side, and a full-width panoramic window directly in front of the bed, so you wake up every morning to whatever incredible scenery you've parked in front of. The ensuite bathroom is spa-level with a freestanding sculptural soaking tub, a rain shower, floor-to-ceiling marble tiles, brushed gold fixtures, and a heated towel rail. There are 2 additional guest bedroom suites on the 3rd level, each with their own private bathrooms, making this motorhome capable of sleeping up to 6 adults in absolute luxury. The driver's cockpit is equally impressive. It features a wraparound panoramic windshield, a fully digital curved instrument cluster, a leather captain's chair with heating, cooling, and massage functions, and a heads-up display projected onto the windshield so the driver never needs to take their eyes off the road. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth luxury motorhome is powered by a PACCAR MX-13 turbocharged diesel engine producing 510 horsepower and a massive 1,850 pound-feet of torque, paired with an Allison 4500 series automatic transmission with 10 forward speeds. That powertrain makes moving this enormous vehicle feel far more composed than you would ever expect. The air suspension handles the weight beautifully, the braking system includes full disc brakes on every axle with automatic load sensing, and the onboard generator system provides full off-grid capability for up to 72 hours of completely independent living. As for pricing, and yes, this is where things get serious, the 2026 Kenworth luxury motorhome starts at around $3.5 million for the base configuration. Fully optioned with the top-tier interior package, the solar roof array, the satellite internet system, and the custom exterior paint, you are looking at somewhere between $4.5 and $5.2 million. Is it expensive? Absolutely. Is it worth every single cent? After spending time with this machine, I can tell you without hesitation, yes, it is. This is not just a motorhome. This is a statement. This is a lifestyle. This is the future of luxury travel on wheels, and nobody is doing it like this right now. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed, and keep driving in style.